Okay, people, here's a scenario I had. My Cadillac 2011 STS was making a whole lot of noise when I turned the steering wheel. And I thought it was the struts and everything. That wasn't the problem. I just purchased a whole new one, okay? Assembly. I got to take that back. Now, the problem was the racket pinion itself didn't have no oil on the ball joint end and on the inner tie rod end. Right up in there. Stiff as hell. So I poured some oil on it and I'm going to get some bearing grease right now, and that joker is not making that noise anymore. I turned the steering wheel, the other side is perfectly fine. I'm about to assemble this joker and put another boot on it, and that was the issue. When my steering wheel was turning, it was making this popping like noise, and that's what it was. The racket pinion, inner tie rod, was bone dry.